Bonjour. As you all know, I live in Paris since July, and this is my second time here. So, for a total of 15 months, yeah, let's say like this. And okay, I'm gonna explain what I will do today. You see the tower behind me, the Tour Eiffel? I never went on it. I never went on the top, I never went on the first floor. So today I go there. Easy. The very top, like up there. I already bought the ticket online yesterday at midnight. I didn't know what to do today, and I knew that it was gonna be sunny. It was going to be sunny, and it's sunny. Maybe it's too much because I'm sweating, and yesterday it was freaking cold, so it's a weird weather in these months. Yeah, I go on the top. I booked the ticket at 5:30 p.m. I wanted to see the sunset, but the slots were all full already, so I can't. I will go next time. I would like to explain a little bit the story of the Tour Eiffel. I will give you two informations. It was built in 2 years, from January 1887 to March 1889, and it's 324 meters tall. The last floor is 276 meters. I paid 13 euros because for the people from 18 to 24 there is a discount, so I paid 13 for go to the top with the elevator. I wanted to take the stairs and do the full experience, but you have to buy the ticket at the ticket office, so you can't buy it online, and it's valid only for the first or second floor. I don't remember. Okay, I'm entering. I gave the pass vaccinal, the COVID pass. I'm pretty excited to go on the top. god, that's so beautiful. Eh sì. So this was the experience at the Tour Eiffel on the top, on the real top, at 281 meters, and it was amazing. I love the architecture of Paris and the geometry of the streets and the buildings, and really I loved it. It's illuminated. It's half yellow and half blue for the Ukraine. When I came here the first time, when I came in Paris the first time, I thought to find it taller, and yeah, I still think that it can be taller, but when you are on the top and you see the people down and all the buildings, the streets, it's amazing. Really, 13 euros that you can spend easily for this experience. Thank you. The video is finished. I don't have anything else to say or show you, so bye.